How to make a YouTube banner in Canva.
Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Canva app and type in YouTube banner. In here, you'll see create a blank YouTube banner. Click it and this should fit in all device sizes. This is our blank template. What we want to do first is turn on the ruler for our guide. To do that, select File, look for Setting, and toggle this. Show Rulers and Guides. The next step is to drag from this area to 508 and 932. If you're having a hard time doing this, just go ahead and zoom it in over here. Now, for the vertical guides, drag it from this side to 598 and 2053. After doing so, just zoom it out. Next step is to set your background. For this video, I will only be using templates and images from Canva. Select Elements. And I will just browse here that will suit our YouTube banner. Once the background is set, we can do our design by adding your YouTube logo. Now, we add text and type in like Tech Tricks Tutorials. I will just change the font to Chunk 5 and resize it to my liking. Also, change the font color by clicking this. I think white will suit my background, so I will use this one. Then, I could just add in some effects to this. Outline seems to be the best option for me. To make the text stand out, I will use a dark color like this. I'll insert another text and say, Daily How-To Uploads. Then, I will just copy the template from the text I added a while ago. I will just place it here and resize it again to my liking. I think I need to adjust the line spacing to 1.06. So I will just go ahead and do that. And continue adjusting it. I think I need to increase the letter spacing. We go ahead and click this. Look for letter spacing and I will increase it to 84. I forgot to adjust the thickness of the outline of this. So let me just do that and increase it to 82. And we are almost done. I will then again add a new text box and say, like and share. And size it down to fit our banner. And change the font to Montserrat. I will add a few elements. So click on Elements and type in YouTube. And we look for something that says subscribe like this one. And here, I'm resizing it with respect to this like and share text. And I will place it right here. And I'm not quite satisfied for this one. I will change the color to white and go to Effects. Toggle the background and I don't want this round edges so I will reduce it to 0. And reduce the transparency to 80. After that, let's change the color. You can select from here.
Click this if you want to copy a color from an existing element in your banner. As for me, it will be this one.
And lastly, I will resize it in line with the subscribe element and put it right back over here. And there we have it, our YouTube banner. Just download this as PNG and we can already use it for our YouTube channel. So, this is how it looks like in computers, tablets, phones, and TV. If this helps, consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and consider checking out our other videos.